If you want to learn how to do real chart analysis so you can change your trading journey for the better today, hit that play button. My name is JD Hyter. I'm a technical analysis strategist, and welcome to the channel. So everybody's going to be a little different format than you guys are used to. And the reason being is because in 2026, I am determined to help everybody who comes and watch my channel become a better trader. My passion is trading. My purpose is helping others. And so I want to help you guys become better traders. And what people don't understand, they're going to tell you you're going to hear all kind of stuff about how to get better at trading. But I'm going to tell you exactly how my mentor told me. All right. And we're going back to the basics. Okay. In 2026, because it's so simple. If you go back to the basics, if you really want to learn how to trade, if you want to get better, this is how you do it. You read the price chart after the trading day every single day. You have to get your chart hours up. That's how you get better. You know how they tell you to do back testing. What's the point of back testing? Here's the point of back testing: to run your system right on a bunch of old data, right? You're trying to run your system through enough data to see if you have a profitable trading system, right? That's the whole point of back testing. But if you're going to trade by hand, right, if you're going to be in control of your destiny and not put it in the hands of an AI or a robot or a broker, or if you're going to trade like you go to work, punch in and go trade every day yourself by hand, then what you want to do is learn how to read the price chart. And you do that by repetition. Same thing. You have to go through enough data. Your eyes have to see enough data that you know what's coming. You start to see, oh, that's a wifey trade coming. Oh, here comes the rain fade. Oh, here comes the second entry long. Oh, here comes a breakout pullback. Once you have read enough charts, then trading, it just becomes muscle memory, like Steph Curry shooting a three. So welcome. We about to check out the chart for today, which is today. Today is March 2nd, 2026. And this is going to be our chart lesson. We also like to call them work study lessons too, but we're going to look at it. And let me hurry up because it was a bunch of trades today. I ain't even going through all of them. It was so many trades today. This market is crazy. Of course, hey, we at war, y'all. Sorry. Hey, it's on. Things is going to get crazy. Gas is going to go up. Oil is going to go up. Stocks is going to be going up and down. Gold is probably going to take off. Bitcoin went up 5% today. We at war. That's going to affect financial markets. All right. So there was a bunch, man. There was so many ways to make money today. Let's dive in. Let's dive in. Enough said. All right. Even if you started before the market, man, even as the session open, I don't even know where to start this thing. Okay. First of all, these yellow lines, if you don't know, these are my key entry levels. Those who are in my community, my Titan trading community, they know all about these. Those who have my course know about these levels. But those in my community, they get the levels sent out to them every day, and a little synopsis of what of price action, of the chart read, right? So check it out. Where should I start? Let's start in the market open, man. This thing was rocking. Where's 9 o'clock? Where you at 9 o'clock? Let's make this bigger. Man, 9 o'clock is somewhere. Okay. All right. Let's get there. All right, so when the market opened up at 9:30 here, somewhere here, might have been 9:38, somewhere here. We were under both levels. Okay, so that's kind of tricky because that's gonna signal to be going to look for shorts. But if you're just reading this price action, man, this was what a run up. I mean, we're trucking. This is nothing but a trend up, trend break, retest a new high. That's classic market cycle for those who understand that. Let me show it to you. If you just count this leg here, that's one leg. That's two legs. Trend up, trend break, retest a new high. That's a perfect market cycle. Let me get my pen up too. All right, had to get that situated. Look, push down, first entry. Push down, man. I'm going on this baby green candle right here. That rejection right there. But as soon as it breaks higher here, that's the second entry long. And look, it just bam takes off. This is why the second entry long is such a powerful setup. If you catch a good second entry long in the center of a pattern like this, boom, that's the setup you're looking for. Okay, that's the second entry long. Center of the pattern, that's a beauty. And I mean, it takes off. And dude, I'm guessing, I'm just gonna guess, it got, like, it probably hit this target. Yep, right here. It made it. It took it a while. It was a struggle, but it did hit that target. It did indeed. Let me see if I can draw the line. It did indeed hit that price. Yep, 68.74.50. The market moves in twos. And so not only does the market move in twos, many times you're gonna get the same distance. Like whatever the distance of the first leg, expect the second leg to be that exact same distance. So that's the awesome part. The market moves in twos. So trust me, people, the market moves in twos. I should stop the video right there, just call it a day. You know, so maybe I might start doing these in little chunks because the market, I mean, that's good stuff right there. Watch this one over and over again. Look for the market moves in twos. All right, so let's take this off. I'm just gonna show a couple setups, man. I mean, look, once we truck up like this, I thought I turned this off. Once we truck up like this and break back into the zone, all bets is off. We're back into my zone now, so I consider that a range. So I'm looking for, like, when you take a breakout pullback, you're looking for like a break in, and then you look for the breakout, come back, touch, retest, and take off. In this case, I'm actually looking for a break back in because I have zones that I trade in. So I'm actually looking for prices. In this particular case, I'm looking for exactly what happened right here. And it's a beauty. I mean, it's so clean. Hold on, let me get it big for you. Right here. This is a beauty. This is a beautiful trade right here. So I'm looking for the break back in. We get it right here. We break back into the zone. I want to test. Look at right here. Man, it don't get no cleaner than that. Let me get this pen up right here. We broke back in. Then this boy had the audacity to come test immediately with a big hard red candle. So many people jumped on that. This is why you do not trade off of one single candle. You know how many people went short right there? They're saying this run is over. You know, we had 1, 2, 3, might as well count 4, 5, 6, 7, you know, 7 greens in a row. 1 red, couple more greens. People see that big red candle, they say the trend has to be over. The run has to be over, you know, time to go the other way. And this is exactly how you get chopped to pieces. Trade with the trend. We're above the 21 MA. So those of you who don't know, the 21 MA is your best friend. We're above the 21 MA. You should only be going long right here. We just broke back into the key entry point. If you understand how we trade with that, you should only be going long right here. And if you're looking for the long, you don't get trapped on some big random red candle. That's one big random red candle. But so many people got trapped right there, and I could tell because how big this green one was. As soon as they trapped them, bam, off to the races. Now, where's your entry for price action IOTS traders? Let me show you. Where we want to enter is right here. No joke. We ain't playing around with that. We're not getting caught. We're not getting trapped right there. This is where we go. Boom. As soon as that candle closes, you go right here and you ride that up. Your target, you want to know what your target is? The top of this range, 68.85, because you're getting in at the bottom of the range. Range rules is once we break back in, you expect to go to the other side of the range. So let's see if we made it. 68.85. We hit that target today. Oh, it broke back lower again. Then. Now, of course, you wouldn't have survived this because it would have came and got you. You know, it broke back under here. But it did hit that target, though. But you would have had an easy win well before that. A great win. I mean, you could have entered this. Let's see how many points this roll for. You entered this at 68, 64. Let's just say we run it up to here. No. I'm riding it up to here because I'm getting knocked out right here. 68, 72. It's a nice little. You might get 10 points on that. All right, 8, 10 points. Great day. Call it a day. Unplug the computer. Unplug the laptop. Do whatever you have to do to stop trading. one trade off the key entry point. Man, I cannot explain how crucial these key entry levels are, or how beneficial they are. You know, ask somebody in the community, they will tell you. Look at the touch right here, people. Key entry point. You go right here, range fade, right, range fade, range fade. This one here is worth. You get in at 60. I'm getting knocked out about. You know, I'm gonna lock in under here, 60, 7, 8, another 8 points. Easy range fade. Then look, it finally breaks out. What do you do when you get a breakout? It broke out, pull back. You go right here, breakout, pull back. Easy trade. Oh man, it was money out here today. Boom. You go right there. How many points was this? That's 59. You write that down about here. 51. Another 8 points. So 8 was the number today, huh? Everybody go play something with the 8 in it. 8 was the number for the day. I'm just gonna stop there. Then we break back in. If you understand how to trade based off of these key levels, this is nothing but the same. This is a repeat pattern. Like, is this the same trade? No, this is a whole different trade. Broke back in, pull back. Where do you go? Right here on this green candle right here. We broke back in. We got the test. They trapped a whole bunch of shorts again. Same trap. And also, look, this is a leg. From here to here is a leg. And then there. And it almost made it to the T. That's the lesson, folks. I'm gonna wrap it up with that. Hey, listen, the market moves in twos. You need to understand that the market moves in twos, understand the 21 EMA, understand how to stay above it, and get these key entry levels. So you need to holler at your boy. Check the links in the description for all the stuff. But listen, we're gonna be doing this now Monday through Thursday, okay? So I'm gonna drop these Monday through Thursday after the market close. So stay tuned, come back. I'll see you tomorrow. We're gonna keep it going. And hopefully these chart lessons will help you become a better trader, will continue to make me more disciplined, become a better trader, because this is my homework. I'm just doing my homework with you guys. We do it together, and hopefully we'll all be better traders for it, all right? So until next time, my name is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the sun. Bye-bye.